Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything. And today I'm gonna teach you how to use this Arissto Coffee Maker 2.0. How to make a cup of cappuccino. So it's very simple tutorial. And well, we are right now at my kitchen. A very simple kitchen. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to power up. So you take out the UK 3-pin plug that is included in the box. Take it out. Take out this protector. You plug it at the back of the machine. It's here, okay? Serial. Inside. Okay. Then you find a plug, power adapter, whatever. Just plug it inside. Turn on. Right now it's not on yet because you need to press this button below. Press it. Yeah. So right now it's power on. You can see there's light showing up when you turn on. Yeah. I'm gonna put some water into this water storage system here and clean it out first before you use it because this is brand new. Remember to put room temperature water instead of hot water. Don't put hot water because the machine will heat the water for you. Keep in mind with that. By the way, this is my first time using this machine. So if I can do it, you also can do it. So right now, let me pour the water inside. Okay. Okay. So right now I'm gonna clean it by pressing the big coffee cup button. When the button lights are blinking, that means the machine is on standby. So right now it should be okay. So let me press it. So you can see all the dirt inside is coming out. Yeah. Right now it's the cleaning process. Okay, so as you can see, the big cup is around 150 ml. So in the previous unboxing experience video, I made a mistake, which is I mistakenly said that there's only 3 tea capsules and 5 coffee capsules, but actually there's 4 tea capsules and 4 coffee capsules. This kind of design, tea leaf around the corner, this is tea, and this one plain solid color is coffee. So here all tea and here all coffee. So today we're gonna make the cappuccino one. So the cappuccino I'll be using passion and also milk, coffee milk, low fat. These two. This one tastes little acidic, which is tastes like cappuccino. I'm gonna make this. Yeah. So I already prepared my coffee cup, beautiful coffee cup. Place it here. Okay. And then open the top lid and place the coffee this way, like this side. Okay, not this side, but this side. Place it in this direction. Okay, now see, now the coffee capsule is inside. Close it back. Okay, and then I'm gonna press the large cup. And right now the coffee will come out very soon, within minutes. Look at that. Looks pretty good. Smells really good. The coffee aroma is very strong. So right now the base is done. I'm gonna put the coffee milk using the same method. Put it on top and then brew it. Same thing, pull up. When you pull up, the remaining rubbish, the capsule rubbish, will drop into the drawer. Later I will take it out and show you guys. Okay, the same way, like this. And this time, I'm gonna press the small cup. Okay, press. Okay, so that's it. That's simple. So every time you finish brewing coffee, pull the tap, let the remaining rubbish capsule drop to the drawer first, and then you put another one. So right now I'm gonna clean it. So you take out from this side, this angle, pull it out. As you can see, the remaining rubbish, some dirty liquid and the empty capsule. Look at that. Okay, that's simple. So Arissto claimed that the coffee that they use is true coffee powder. It's not those 3-in-1, 2-in-1 with artificial milk powder and so on. Yeah, I can confirm that. This is really real coffee powder. As you can see, this is what you get inside coffee capsule. Look at that. So right now is the moment of truth. It's easy to make, correct? But if the taste is bad, then there's no meaning to it. So let me try it first. Cheers. Not bad. Not bad actually. But you have to add sugar by yourself if you want sweeter taste. I would say I can taste the coffee, of course, but it's a bit diluted. It tastes like cappuccino. Yeah, without a doubt. But if you want to say this is better than outside coffee, I wouldn't say that. It's very convenient and also comes with a cheaper price. The whole thing is just 6 ringgit, 2 capsules because we use the coffee milk and the coffee base. 6 ringgit. Outside, if you drink coffee at Starbucks or Coffee Bean, you can't get that price for 6 ringgit. If you go to McDonald's, you can get those prices. And the taste is, I would say, on par to McDonald's McCafe. Yeah, that's how I taste it. It's nothing really superior or worse than outside. No, it just tastes good, but I wouldn't say it's like 5-star experience like what they marketing for. Well, it's worth to give it a try if you like to drink coffee every single day. This 1 ringgit coffee plan might be a good option for you. Like I said in the previous video, this is not a sponsored video. Just try it out. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Donate if you can to support this channel. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.